Hey, if you want to change your profile name on Threads, so all you have to do is just to click on the right bottom corner and then tap on the edit profile. And now when you click on this name, as you can see, you've got information that the name and the username is synchronized with Instagram. So what you have to do is just to move into the Instagram account and now tap on the right bottom corner. And from here, you have to click on the three lines in the right upper corner. And from here, we have to go into the settings and the privacy. And now we have to go into the accounts center. That's our profile. Click right here. And now you can change your name or change your username. So let's say that I want to switch 88 to 77. And just like this. There we go. And now when it is correct and when this name is available, I can click done. And after a few seconds, as you can see, my name has changed on the Instagram, and on the Threads it will be also changed when I go just right here and click done. I will have to refresh this application, so just wait for this refreshing process. If it doesn't work, you can also quickly turn off both of the applications and then open them one more time. Now when you go to the profile, as you can see, the name has changed. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.